Last lesson, OpenCode Zen. Today, we actually connect OpenCode to a provider using /connect. By the end of this lesson, OpenCode will be connected to a provider, ready to use. We'll cover the /connect command, the sign-in flow, and where your API key gets stored. 5 minutes from now, you'll have a working agent. The command is /connect. You can type /connect inside OpenCode's prompt box. Or run OpenCode connect from your regular terminal. Both open the same flow. The flow walks you through sign-in step by step. Here's the flow. A browser opens to opencode.ai/auth. Sign in or create an account if you don't have one. Pick a plan, free is fine for starting. Copy your API key from the dashboard. Paste it back into OpenCode when prompted. OpenCode tests the key, and you're connected. 5 steps, 5 minutes, you're connected. Here's what you actually see in the terminal. Run OpenCode. Type /connect. OpenCode says, opening browser to opencode.ai/auth. The browser opens. You sign in, copy your API key, come back to the terminal. Paste the key when prompted, it shows a star so no one can read over your shoulder. OpenCode confirms connected, ready. Try /models to pick. Where is the key stored? In ~config/opencode/auth.json. Encrypted at rest. Never sent anywhere except the provider you're connecting to. If you want OpenCode to forget the key, delete the auth.json file. Next launch, you'll re-prompt for the key. Can you connect multiple providers? Yes. Run /connect again to add another. Switch between them with /models. Useful for comparing models side by side. Useful when one provider has an outage, you fall back to another. Most users end up with 2 or 3 connected. Connect as many providers as you like. Switch freely. Troubleshooting. Wrong key, recopy from the provider dashboard, paste carefully. Expired key, generate a new one in the dashboard. Network issue, check your connection. Browser didn't open automatically, copy the URL from the terminal output and paste into a browser manually. Most connection failures are one of these. If you remember one idea, /connect, sign in, paste key. /connect starts the flow. The browser signs you into your provider. Copy the API key, paste back into OpenCode. The key is stored locally, encrypted. Quick recap. /connect starts the flow. A browser opens to provider authentication. Copy your API key from the dashboard, paste back into OpenCode. Key is stored locally, encrypted at rest. Coming up next, picking a model. You're connected to a provider. Now you need to pick which model to actually use. We cover the /models picker, the free options, and what to start with as a beginner. Connected. The brain is wired up. One key. Many models. Ready to go. Connection complete. Provider is wired up. Thanks for connecting OpenCode with me. Next, we pick a model from the /models picker.